choppy noise all over the place. She just stand there searching for a word to say, so that I won't be in pain from the truth. Crying my feelings till I dry, crying my feelings till I sleep. But it seems the trust won't be enough to wash it gone. If you just let yourself loneliness, trust is without some faithfulness. How am I supposed to have faith in those trust? Saying up is meaningless words to my heart wouldn't change my feelings, not even a little bit. Just for now, won't you just tell me what is up? Whether bad or good, I just want honesty. Embracing you until it's gone, embracing you until you're bored. But it seems my love won't be enough to hold you down. We are one and all, it's such a dream. Woo, trust is such a thing. I don't see that I can be real just like you. All these questions keep filling up me just like rain. But I know whether I solve this, you might reach to my answer. Not a thing will change the future for us two.